Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to restrict and unrestrict a message on Messenger. And just take note guys, ignore messages is not available anymore on our Messenger apps. Once the restrict option appears on the Messenger app, it means that you can no longer bring back the ignore messages. Don't worry guys, ignore messages and restrict option is almost the same. There's a little bit difference between the two, but you'll see that later on. I'll explain it to you. So now let's move on and start. We're gonna use two accounts so that we can see what will happen if we restrict someone. And you just have to choose the message and press and hold and choose restrict option. After that, you'll see the notification at the bottom part that it was already restricted. And the next thing that we need to do is to press the profile icon at the top left corner. And that's here. The next thing we need to press is the privacy, and let's go with the restricted accounts. Now, here's the account that I restricted a while ago. And we just have to check how it looks like when we restrict someone by accessing this other account. And how does restrict really works? This is what they have here when we press the link. So that's the three benefit that you'll have if you restrict someone. So they will see, or you will see them less often, and you can hide your activities such as active status, and you can unrestrict them anytime. So now let's start with checking the other account. So now I'll be sending a message, and then let's see. Alright, so it means that you can still see the message of someone if you restrict them. So that's it. And alright, so as you can see, the active status is no longer showing the green circle. It just popped out a while ago. And let's try to check here and send another message. So the only difference guys, as what I said a while ago, there's a little difference between the two. Ignore messages will not show a check or blue check on the message. It will only show a grayed out check. So that's the only difference. It means that the other person will still see that you are seeing their message without opening it. The only good thing from that part is they will not be able to guess if you're putting them intentionally on the restrict inbox, because before with the ignore message, people can easily guess if you're putting them on the ignore message because the check will not be colored as blue. It will only be grayed out. If you get what I mean, I'm talking about the checks. So that's what's gonna happen if you restrict someone. If you need more tutorial videos, you can just drop your comments at the comment section to suggest for my next content.